Good morning all. We got up to Elorrio, I think it's pronounced, which is about 20-25 minutes away from Bilbao. It's a lovely spot at the base of the mountains, and I thought I'd just do a quick review on the local air. The local air is well looked after. The electricity is off at the moment, but you have plenty of parking facilities for at least 10 large campers that you can see in the background. It's a very scenic area, and if I just take you through to the facilities, there are 2 drop points for your grey water and also toilet facilities. But as I said, at the moment the electrical system is out, which is a bit of a disappointment because I didn't want to run the generator in this town last night, so I had to conserve quite a bit of electricity as we have a very overcast day. Went down in the town. There's a couple of local grocery shops, some very nice restaurants and bars, and the scenery is absolutely beautiful. So rating, I would say 3 out of 10 because the electricity's off.